Welcome to this tutorial on how to sell puts using Etrade. Selling puts is a popular strategy for generating income and potentially purchasing stocks at a lower price. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you will need to log into your Etrade account. Once you are in, navigate to the trading section of the platform. Look for the options trading feature, which will allow you to select the stock you are interested in. It is important to do your research and choose a stock that you believe has a stable or upward trend, as this will enhance your chances of success. Next, find the option chain for your selected stock. Look for the put options, which are typically listed with different expiration dates and strike prices. You will need to choose the specific strike price and expiration date for the put option you want to sell. Make sure you understand the risks involved and consider factors such as premiums and the stock's performance history. Once you have made your selection, enter the details of your trade. Specify the number of contracts you want to sell and confirm your order. After execution, monitor the trade and be prepared for various outcomes, including the possibility of assigned shares. Selling puts can be a great way to earn income, but it is important to stay informed and manage your positions accordingly. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to sell puts using Etrade.